So here is our submission for next video build hackathon.
Safe is a decentralized image sharing and content aggregation platform where users can not only control the content but also the platform itself. The idea for PinSafe was inspired by our experience using monolithic online applications where users had limited control over their data and content. We saw an opportunity to use decentralized technologies to create a platform that would give users full control over their data and content, and that would also provide a secure and open platform for users to discover, share, and monetize their content. To build PinSafe, we had to learn about decentralized technologies and the different trade-offs when building a decentralized application. We explored existing decentralized platforms and technologies and identified the key features that would make PinSafe a success, including the decentralized feed, decentralized identity, upgradable storage, and smart contracts. We are excited to see how PinSafe will revolutionize the way people share content online. So here's our demo.
So here is our decentralized feed on Polygon Mumbai. You can see that we've actually preloaded 6 posts. Now we can use the load more button to load more of the decentralized posts. So we actually have images and we have the videos. We can play with the help of live peer. We can comment and display these messages page, and we can react to these messages. So these are implemented with the help of Ceramic, and now we can actually make separate posts which will be only visible to the owners of this NFT with the help of leads protected access. So as you can see, this post is actually encrypted. We can react and it will display the reaction. Upload page, actually on this page we implement the decentralized posts, which we upload with the help of IPFS, and it's also stored. So we've implemented an NFT port on that page as well. Here you can actually see the profile. We also can change here as well, essentially, and the profile is actually connected to between one another. We have also implemented ENS resolution to the profiles. So to sum up, we have implemented live peer, we have implemented ENS, we have implemented NFT port, lead actions, we've added Ceramic for messaging, and the profile. The chain that we've actually implemented this is on Polygon.